Hi everyone, it's Rhonda at A Little Bit French, and today is my Sam Poole Design Team project, and I will show you my inspiration for this beautiful journal. It is Dusky Pinks. I fell in love with the digital kit from Sam, and I found these pink ribbons at Hobby Lobby, and there's some ballet pink seam binding ribbon. And this is from my friend Carrie, who sent me a happy mail, Dusky Pinks, and this pink ribbon here. But this is the kit I primarily used. I dipped into several other kits that were also, they had pink invoices, so I will list the kits below so that you can check them out. But all of the digitals in this journal are Sam Poole Designs. And I will put those kits listed below, like I said. So this journal started out with an image from one of Sam's kits and an original antique ledger page. And I added some lace, and I curved this lace here. It's very pink. I'm just preparing you. And then I added, of course, my original antique ephemera book pages and such. Nice little tuck there with a book page in it. And then I added a pressed flower on a book page. I get these pressed flowers from Amazon, and they're just gorgeous. They're really pretty. Let me get that out, put away. So I hope I'm in screen here for you. A lot of places to write. That's what these journals are supposed to be about. And I just love this image here. I just love it. And I did a little collaging or pinning of things on this antique French book page. I will show you how tiny those pins are. And then I added the ink, the alcohol ink, to give them a little more of a brass or antique look. I can get them off my hand. There we go. And then just slipped them through to create that look. And then this is a new rubber stamp that I bought. And then in this lace side tuck is just a antique French book page with some string tied around it. Get that in there. A little short page, and on the other side is an up tuck with another little journaling spot. And then this beautiful pocket has one of Sam Pink invoices, and then you can write inside. It's a journaling spot. And then this is a little side corner tuck that I've added a little lace sample, and it's made of, the tuck itself is made from part of a French envelope. And then here's another writing spot. Just aged it real well. You can write inside. There we go. And then a book page. And this lace side tuck is another invoice, resized, and a writing spot. And then these two side tucks are from Sam's kit that has doilies. And then I just put the book pages in there. And this is, I think, a little booklet to write in. And this belly band holds some watercolor painted and another document to write in. And this is an antique French envelope, part of an envelope. I just made it fit the page. And then here is just a writing spot. You can write on the back. And then in this little side tuck is a piece of antique ledger and some beautiful, beautiful ribbon. And then here's another doily tuck, and I just had to add her. I love her so much. It's just a little booklet. Just a little booklet. I love these so much. And then another little writing spot. A little bit of music sheet. Lots of spaces to write. And then here's some more of the French invoices in pink. And then here is that image throughout that I just adore, and I had to add it in full, you know, instead of chopped up. So there she is. She's gorgeous. I love it. I'll stick those back in and then let you see the corner tuck. And there she is again. I love that image as well. And then here is just another place to write. It's just a little, you open it up and you can write inside. I just wanted to add that to the back. And there you have it. A nice ledger. Starts out with a ledger and dusky pinks and some laces, and you're good to go. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you get a chance to create with the Dusky Pinks. I certainly enjoyed it. And well, I didn't tie that very nice. Try to make it a little bit more pretty. Well, it is what it is. And I will be back soon. But this is the major kit that I use the most. And I will be back soon, and thank you for watching. I hope you found some inspiration. Bye-bye.